it's Val again and welcome to my kitchen. Today is day 7 of the 10-day green smoothie cleanse and we're having a ball. Today our smoothie is going to be pineapple berry and we have a whole lot of ingredients today. Okay, so let's get started. So it's 2 handfuls of spinach mix and 2 handfuls of spinach. I'm sorry, spring mix, 2 spring mix, 2 spinach, but it's all mixed together, so it's all good. We're doing 4 handfuls. So that was 1, 2, my hand is too big, 3, and 4. Woo, and it's flying everywhere. 2 cups of water. Okay, we will blend that. Okay, to the mixture we are going to now add our berries. So it's 1.5 cups of mixed berries. And so we have here strawberry, raspberry, blackberry, and blueberry. We are going to add as well 1.5 cups of mangoes. And I'll do that first and then I'll add the 1.5 cups of pineapple. And I do that because I don't want this thing to overflow. So now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of pineapples. I'm also just going to add the 2 tablespoons of flaxseed grounded. Also adding the protein powder. And I'll put the last ingredients in that. So now I'm going to add one banana. Shortcut. Okay, all done. Now for the tasting. I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. Just right. Taste test.
It's good.
Ooh. So good. It's really delicious. It's not too sweet and it's the right consistency. So once again, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload my next video. So until then, have a great day and I'll see you in my next video. Ta-ta!